Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to do the Bobble 2. This is going to be for the nostril of the unicorn. Okay, so first we're going to yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over and just pull through the first 2. Okay, and we're going to do that one more time in the same stitch. So we're going to yarn over, go through your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook at this point. You're going to yarn over, just pull through the first 2 loops, leaving 3 loops on your hook. To know that you've completed a bobble stitch correctly, you want to have 1 extra loop on your hook than what the bobble calls for right before you finish the stitch. So now we have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and just pull through all 3. Okay, and then I'll push this up a little bit so you can kind of see that. So I'll go ahead and show you one more time going into the second bobble stitch here. So for the second one, we're going to yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. We're going to yarn over, pull just through the first 2 loops, and repeat. Yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. There's 4 loops on my hook now. Yarn over, just pull through the first 2. And now that we're getting ready to finish, we're down to those 3 loops for our Bobble 2. So you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And those are your 2 completed bobble stitches.